guys, welcome back to In Case of Econ Struggles. Welcome to another exporting results struggle. Today what I'm going to show you how to do is export a balance test table that's pretty long. I'm also going to show you how to do a balance test table that comes from regressions rather than just t-tests. And so we're going to go ahead and get right into it. Again, this is to produce this table right here where you can see I've got a bunch of different variables and I've got categories of variables. For each variable, the way I'm doing this balance test is I'm basically just regressing this left-hand side variable or this covariate on some other stuff. That stuff is not super important. This is just for a research project I'm working on. But again, the goal is just to give you the code and walk you through how to make this table. So if we go ahead and we jump into Stata, you can see that I've got my globals right here. I've got all the stuff at the top matter that we've talked about in previous videos. And then what I'm going to do first is I'm basically just going to start storing my results. So here are my results where I'm running this regression, where again for all these covariates, I'm just doing the regression on this state partisanship. This is my variable of interest. Then I have an instrumental variable where I have a bunch of different cutoffs, and so I'm using that same outcome, instrumenting my state part with that far part cutoff. That's not, again, not super important, just to kind of walk you through how this code works. I'm going to do that for a bunch of different outcomes, and then I need to output this as a table. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this fragment option that we've talked about before with panel tables. And what I'm going to do is two main things. First, when I have a new category, I'm going to insert this posthead command. And so that's going to let me have that local characteristic that you saw here. Just pull it up. So again, that's going to let me have this bold text right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just for every outcome, I'm going to do this fragment append. I don't need numbers, no titles, no observations. All I want is to change the name of that key variable to the variable that I'm actually doing the balance test of. Now, some of you have asked in the comments if it's better to do this as a loop or not. You probably could do it as a loop. One thing that I think is kind of tricky if you do this as a loop is you're going to have to make sure you get these names exactly right when you use these coef labels. And so for me, it just wasn't worth trying to put this into a loop. And so I ended up doing it manually where I'm just stacking them. But again, whatever works for you, feel free to share your code in the comment section below. And so when I get down, and I'm going to get down right here to panel B, which is outcomes of counties which send people to a particular county, you can see that again, I've got this posthead command where now I'm doing a new panel or a new variable category where I'm calling it sending county characteristics. So again, what I'll do is I'll post this code just for the table in the comment section below. But hopefully if you're doing a large table with balance tests, with regressions, just give you some code to help you out. If this code is helpful, please let me know in the comment section below. Please go ahead and like this video if you haven't already. We'll see you next time for another case of Econ Struggles.